Hello, my name is Kaya and I am the designer at Project 6 NY Kids Hair Accessories. Today we have a special offer for you on our best-selling Grosgrain Bow Clip Set. So let me show you the set first. So this set comes in about 19 different colors. Today we are showing you 4 colors that will have a special deal on them. So first we have this is my favorite out of all the colors. This is called Sweet Nectar. This is a grosgrain ribbon with a scalloped edge. We used a couple layers of ribbon to form this bow. When I saw this ribbon, I had to make a clip from it. I had a couple versions of this clip, and then I was on a WhatsApp group with a bunch of moms, about 11 daughters all together, and we narrowed it down to this one, and I'm so happy with them. So it comes as a set of 2, because the clips will have both directions. You see how the clips are going in different directions? That's so that it could go on either side of the head. So if you're wearing buns and you want to put one on each side, you can do that. Okay, another color I have for you, and this is the kids' favorite, is our passion fruit. It is like a hot pink color. The kids go straight for this one, as you can imagine. So this is passion fruit. Then we have this ivory cream one, which is like a no-brainer, works with so many things, so gentle and delicate. You know, you could wear this for dressing up, our holidays, parties. And then we have this red one, which I think is the one, I can't even speak. I think this is the one that people actually wear to school a lot. It is this poppy red color, and it does really well, the red color. A lot of people like it. So I have these 4. So we have the red passion fruit, the ivory, and then we have the sweet nectar right here. And normally these are $12.50 plus $5 shipping, which comes out to $17.50. These 4, you can choose one color and it will ship for free, which means you'll get the whole set for just $12.50. So now I'm going to show you some photos of it on children, and maybe we'll do a little tutorial on how we make hairdos or something fun. We'll see. Thank you. Hi everyone, it is Kaya and Lily. Lily is our model and the Project 6 NY Kids' biggest fan. So today, me and Lily are going to talk about our Grosgrain Bow Clip Sets. We're going to show you how it looks in the hair. Lily chose the passion fruit color. She wanted the hot pink. Tell me something about these clips. Why do you like these clips?
It's my style.
It's your style? What is your favorite way to wear them? Do you like doing it in the back of your hair, in the front, with your braids,
here.
when you wear buns?
Here.
You like them right there, right above the braid? Okay, let's try that. Let's put it in, and then we'll do a little model. So, we're gonna take the clips off the card, and they come in 2 different directions, one for each side. So, let's see. Ooh, this is really cute, Lily. It's a good idea. Okay, let's see, turn around. Okay, these are her messy braids from the day. Look up so that we can see. And we did them at the tops of the braid. Now let me just show, for a different look, how it would look at the bottom of a braid. It's cute too. Let's see in the front. Turn around. Aww, so cute. Okay, let's do another style, okay? Let's do some, you wanna try that color? Show everyone that color. This color is called Sweet Nectar. See here? Turn to the side. Let's see. Whoop. Spin around. Aw, so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love that. Wait, get it. So cute. Okay, first we can do the slow run and see what this would look like if we, that's pretty, no? Wait, let me see, look. Oh, I like it. No? Okay, let's show the camera. And look straight at the camera. Blow a kiss. So the camera can see. Hold on. Oh, that's so cute. Turn around. Just over your shoulder. On the side. Look, look, look. Should we do it there?
Oh, so cute.
You want these? Okay. In the back? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let's do one here. I didn't make such nice buns though. Better at making clips and bows than buns. Okay, let's see. Turn around, let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Look up. It's so cute. I love it. And look, hold on, let's see. There's a bow on your back too. In here, and then you can put the bows on either side of this. Do that. Look up. I mean, look down. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, do this too. So if you do it like this, you put the oops. Okay, now should we show all the colors? Now, we're gonna do something fun, Lily. We're gonna do, I think we're gonna put all of them in your hair. All of them. Okay. Okay, so here we have all the colors in this adorable little model's hair. Lily, we love her. And you can see all of these on our website, but for now I encourage you to stay on this page because you could choose from one of our 4 bestsellers and get free shipping on it. Happy shopping! Thank you.